What is up, investors? Jason here. So today we're going to be talking about Cardano. Now, as we are seeing the entire crypto market taking a bit of pullback and the crypto fear and greed index is sitting over in fear, I have a feeling that we're going to be seeing a big turnaround in the entire crypto market. Now, today we're going to be talking about Cardano, and we're going to be going over the amount of new projects that are currently in the works. We're going to be talking about the total value locked. We're going to be doing a technical analysis, all those good things. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm. Help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to this. Now, currently, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index says that we're in fear, which you expect that, but it's much better than being in extreme fear, which we just previously were in. Now, when we look over at the crypto market, we can see that Cardano is now the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Now, it is trending up a little bit on this particular day, but at the same time, we've seen the price drop a good amount over the last 2 weeks or so. Now, looking at all the different cryptocurrencies, we do see that many of them are on the rise, but Solana, for example, had benefited from being listed into Robinhood, and we've seen some other cryptocurrencies as well also get listed. So there's been some beneficial factors for some of the Cardano competitors. Now, looking over at the price of Cardano currently, though, what we can see is that the pattern that it was on, where we were seeing it consolidate more and more, what we're currently seeing is we are seeing that price break out of that pattern a little bit, but this is also following a lot of what we're seeing with Bitcoin, as we're seeing Bitcoin also do the same thing right now as well, as Bitcoin is breaking out of its pattern, and hopefully we can see Bitcoin retest that $42,000 and go above it here very soon. That's going to be very beneficial for the entire crypto market, which we do also see a lot of green in the crypto market at this moment. So that's good to see. Now, we are seeing some of the other cryptocurrencies also on the rise, and we have Ethereum currently working its way back up. Hopefully we'll see Ethereum back at that $3,200 price here very soon. It's at the $3,100 right now. I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum is not back above that $3,200 price very soon. But back to Cardano, the main thing that we need to see Cardano do is go back above that $1 resistance. That $1 price was very important for Cardano to go over when we had seen that happen actually back in the third week of March, when it had done that and it just continued rising up, and we saw Cardano work its way trying to get over a resistance of $1.20. It had no luck really being able to get above that and finding support, and the entire crypto market saw a lot of pullback. This wasn't just obviously just geared towards Cardano. The entire crypto market saw a lot of pullback, and then everybody went down, and everybody was following what the price of Bitcoin has been doing. If we look at what Cardano has been doing here in the short term, and we look over at what Bitcoin is doing, it's very similar. And so we can see the same similarities with all the cryptocurrencies that we'll look at. They're all doing a good amount of sideways trading for a week, and now they're showing signs of a possible breakout. So as a lot of crypto has been following what Bitcoin has been doing in the short term, there's also a lot of good possibilities that we could see Cardano have its own rally, which we could possibly be seeing, as we do have a lot of things to look forward to with some recent news that has come out. Now, in a recent tweet by Input Output, they had announced that there are nearly 900 projects that are building on Cardano, and the number goes up day by day. There's always something new popping up over on Cardano Cube, like new DEXs to learn about, and many other new applications that are launching or will be launching sometime soon. Now, we just recently saw a new DEX launch on Cardano last week, and back on January 26th, Charles Hoskinson said that he was really looking forward to the launch of Wingriders on the Cardano mainnet. Now, Wingriders is being developed by Slovakian fintech startup Vacuum Labs, which is a software development company that builds modern full-stack fintech solutions for startups, scale-ups, and incumbent banks. Vacuum Labs first got involved with Cardano back in 2018 when its developers started to work on ADA Whales, which has become the world's most popular web-based Cardano wallet. And we've seen Wingriders now, just over a week, dethrone Sunday Swap Spot as its position in total value lock. Now, we currently still have MinSwap as number one, but Wingriders has been really catching up the ranks here in total value lock. So the last 7 days, Wingriders is up 44% in total value lock on Cardano, and the current total value lock on Cardano is $305 million worth. Now, even though we've seen the price of Cardano come down quite a bit here recently, the number of wallets holding Cardano has grown, which Cardano adds another 100,000 wallets in a month amid ERC20 converter tool launch. And there's about now 3.26 million wallets holding Cardano. Now, with Cardano currently having a market cap of about $30.4 billion, it used to have a market cap upwards around $95 billion back in September when it had reached its all-time high of $3.10. Now, since then, we have seen this dramatic drop with Cardano, and the big thing here is, while about 82% of Cardano holders are currently down, Whales have been accumulating more and more Cardano as it's in these lower prices. Now, Whales holding over 10 million ADA tokens have returned to their largest percentage of supply held in 2 years at 46.6%. Now, one reason why we've been seeing the increase in whale buying could easily have something to do with the fact that historically, when Cardano does launch a new hard fork, that the price does go up quite significantly, like we saw back when the Alonzo hard fork had come out back in September. Back then, when Cardano had reached its all-time high, that was just briefly before the Alonzo hard fork had come out and the Cardano Summit. So this could be one of the reasons why we are seeing a large increase in buying currently at these lower prices, with the possibility that when the Vessel hard fork does come out, that we could see the price of Cardano going up significantly when that does happen. So there is one possibility there, and honestly, that's one of the reasons why I'm also increasing the amount that I'm currently buying, not just for the reasons of the return that I'm getting with the current 3.75% on Coinbase. So the Vassal hard fork we have to look forward to in June, and if it's anything like it was when the Alonzo hard fork came out, when the smart contract capabilities came out with Cardano, that was back in September. That's when we saw Cardano go to its all-time high at that time. So if we see the same thing happen again, and we see Cardano 3x or more with the Vassal hard fork, where there's a lot of applications that are still waiting for the pipelining capabilities, which is what's going to be coming out with the new Vassal hard fork. And so this could be a major catalyst for Cardano. I mean, it is, of course, a major catalyst, but this could be something that could definitely increase the price of Cardano significantly as we get to that. And we're going to definitely see a lot more of the total value locked and a lot of other things, of course, increase with Cardano as time does go on. And I'm sure that the lead up into the new hard fork is going to be something that will definitely get the price moving, in my opinion. So as far as like a prediction goes, I think that we would easily see the price of Cardano possibly going back to that $3 price, if not more, sometime in June or in July when we do get that new update. So that's where I'm at. That's what I'm banking on currently, and also in increasing the Cardano that I'm currently holding with the current staking yield out there with the 3.75% that I'm getting over on Coinbase. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on Cardano. Is there anybody that is currently down that is holding, looking forward to when the new hard fork does come out? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll try to keep you guys updated at least 3 times a week on new Cardano videos, so you got that to look forward to, as well as many other videos on other cryptocurrencies like Solana and such. So I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thank you for watching.